Zotero is a powerful free tool which can help you quickly save, organize, and cite online resources during the research process. Zotero has a few components: a desktop app, a browser extension, and an online account. For more information on downloading and setting up these components, check out our Getting Started with Zotero video. The desktop app provides most of Zotero's functionality. Resources will appear in the central list, and from this interface you can view, sort, and otherwise interact with what you've compiled. The Zotero Connector is a browser extension that adds functionality to the web browsers you already use. With the extension installed, you can send resources to your collection in the Zotero app with ease. Take a look at our Creating Resource Collections with Zotero video for more information on the workflow between the browser extension and desktop app. Zotero integrates with word processing programs such as Microsoft Word. We take a look at this functionality in our Zotero and Microsoft Word video. For group assignments, a Zotero account can allow collaboration on research with shared collections and other features. For more information about this functionality, refer to our Collaborating with Zotero video. As you can see, Zotero is loaded with features to make research easier and more accurate. These videos will help you explore and make the most of Zotero's functionality to support your academic needs. Happy researching!